Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about last date DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here. This is last date DAX function syntax. Last date and add dates. Okay. Let's check this DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here. I'm already imported some data. Next, click new report and calculate sum of sales. Okay, and close this parenthesis, and next last, type in your last date, return the last unplanned date. Okay, and select date, close this parenthesis. Okay, sum is here. Okay, and let's check this DAX function. Click new card and select measure. See this here. This is my last date sales. Okay, let's check this function. Okay, go to page 2, go to page 1. See this here. Now I am selecting slicer. I next select date column. I click this down arrow and select list. Okay, and select card and next select sales. Okay, see this here. This is my last day. Okay, let's take this last day, 12 million sales. Okay, my last day have 12 million sales. Okay, let's take this function. See this here. This is 12 millions. Okay, this is last date DAX function in Power BI desktop.